Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen real quick. YouTube channel, okay? So anytime I drop a video, you're the first to be notified. But in order to be the first to be notified, you gotta click the bell, okay? Subscribe and click the bell, man. The first thing when you comes to making money online is you gotta be able to follow simple instructions. It's as simple as you clicking the bell. Okay, so look, I'm in the back of my Acorns account right now, right? All right, I'm online on my computer, pulling it up for you guys to show you. Okay, I'm about to cash in on the $1,400 day due to the promotion they had last month. Okay, I told you all it's imperative to go ahead and create an account because anytime they drop a new promo, you'll get it and you can start promoting right away. Well, guess what? They're at it again. Check this out. When I click on invite friends, you see my name. Good evening, LaDerrick. Okay. When I invite friends, what does it say? Refer 12 friends for $1,000. Same promo they had last month. They're starting January off the same exact way. Okay. So look, I've explained to you all time and time again the easiest way to promote this thing. We're gonna go to my Facebook page real quick and show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so watch this. Okay, so on my Facebook page, this is all I do, y'all, and this is all you have to do. Okay, and you can win. People want to say, how do you continue to make money with that app? How do you continue to make money with Acorns? I can't seem to do it because you're not following instructions. Everyone that does this, they get thousands upon thousands of leads every single time. I can say thousands of leads, but they get 30 to 50 leads. Okay, and all you need is 12 to get that 1,200. So this is what I put. I'm gonna switch that. That's it. Turn $5 into 1,200. Limited time. Find out how. All right. You're gonna get a whole bunch of people saying how, info, how, tell me more, tell me, please put me on, show me how, is this real? All that good stuff. All that count. Okay. Turn $5 into 12. That's all I put up. Some or I switch it up. There's so many different ways that you can spend that. Okay. But this is gonna pique interest. You don't need a whole paragraph. All right, and then another way to do it is to click on this button right here and do a live video. Shoot a live video with the same topic, and then just explain to them. All right, this is an investment account. You're going to invest $5 into your own account, so it's still free. All right, because you're investing $5 into your account. All right, when you invest $5, they give you $5, so you're starting out with $10. Okay, but well, basically, you're starting out with an extra $5. Okay, because they're going to give you $5 once you invest your $5. Okay. Really that simple. And then you go find 12 people to invest $5, and boom, you in the door. And once they do it, you're gonna receive emails like this. All right, so I'm in the back of my account. I'm in my email address. All right, you see my name right there. Okay. And you get an email like this saying, thanks for referring a friend. As you can see, I've already gotten started. This is January 1. Okay. I've already gotten started. You earn $5 by friend. And listen, this is my first time promoting it. All right, but I'm just putting my information out there. All right, and my information is in the internet world, it's on the YouTube space, so people are seeing it. All right, and they're locking arms. Okay, so I'm gonna cash in again on this opportunity. Free money, y'all. Listen, it's up to you, man, to take advantage. Okay, it's up to you to take advantage. But you see it right there. Refer 12 friends for $1,000. All right, this is what's going on for $1,000. The ball is in your court, man. It's on you. It's on you. And look, like I said, when you invite friends, you're going to get $5. Let me clear the air real quick because, as you can see, it says invite friends and get $5. So don't think, well, I referred 10 friends, so does that mean, you know, I'm going to get $100 per friend? No. Okay? You get $5 per friend, and once you meet the quota of 12 people, then you get $1,000. But until then, it's going to be $5 for every person that you refer. Okay, really that simple. All right, and put up a post just like this or similar. You can put your own spin on it, however you want to do it, but make it short and sweet, but enough to where it piques their interest. You know, it creates that curiosity. All right, and then go ahead and you can see. You're gonna see my information below in the description. Once you do this, once you sign up, you can use my same script. Okay, use my same exact script. Make your own. All right. Take my link out, put your link in, and you're good to go. Okay? Send them that same exact link. Once they ask for information, a lot of people say, what do I send them after that? Look at my description. Copy that same message. Send it to them. Okay? But take my link out and put yours in. All right? See y'all on the next video, man. Listen, like I said, I'm going to have this 2019, I'm going to be blessing you all with opportunity upon opportunity upon opportunity. There's no reason to be broke, man. No reason to be broke, okay? I'm going to be blessing you all 2019. And let me say something else before I get off of here. Please do not take this money and just blow it. Take this money and invest in a real business, okay? Something that can pay you residually, okay? This fast money is cool, man, but some people just take it and blow it. Don't take it and blow it. Yeah, y'all can do what you want to do, but you're going to be singing the same song and dance the next month and the month after, man. So you really want to invest in something that's going to be able to pay you long term, so you can really, you know, get out what this internet can do for you. Okay. So with that being said, man, if you like what you heard, like, comment, subscribe, share this video, send it to your family and friends, show them how to get a head start on 2019. Government shut down right now, so taxes might be delayed, man. So you know what? You can create your own economy and get paid now. Okay, you don't have to wait until tax season come. Okay, you can start getting paid right now, man. Until the next video, man, I'll see you.